Turns out, reality leaks. Sweeping brushstrokes fully loaded, emptying by degrees into the margins of a child's roughly coloured painting. An infant's creation on a rainy afternoon, loosely attached and fading on a fridge door. Watery sun, sunflower rays radiating, oblique raindrops exploding on impact in growing puddles of broken promises, resonating in a picture book park under a long forgotten rainbow. An unreliable observer shivering on a bench, synapse constructs resolving in Doppler ripples, spreading as nonsense washing over the sticky voids of an old man's brain. Beneath the top strip of blue and clouds, challenged eigenstate images flicker. Sounds reverberating in space-time, dissipating memories reduced in the repetition of a slowly diminishing waveform. Connections broken between concepts, the familiar gradually disappearing, lost within the texture of the stroke. Consciousness ringing as wet entanglement between collapsing waves of shrieks and shadows, recollections of Sunday mornings with the children, afternoons with paintbrushes at the kitchen table, dripping raincoats glistening on hooks, and kids' muddy wellies in the hallway. Turns out, as paintings fade, reality leaks.